Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study online on your laptop. First, find a quiet, dedicated space where you can focus without interruptions. Make sure your laptop is fully charged or connected to power to avoid any mid-session disruptions. Organize your digital workspace by clearing your desktop and arranging files into easily accessible folders. This simple setup creates an ideal environment for productive online learning. Next, leverage digital tools to enhance your study routine. Note-taking applications help you organize information efficiently, making review much simpler. Calendar tools are excellent for scheduling your study blocks and keeping track of important deadlines. Additionally, consider using focus apps to block distracting websites and notifications, ensuring you stay on task and maximize your learning time. To truly engage with your online courses, actively participate in discussions and forums. This interaction deepens your understanding and connects you with peers. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a short break. Consistent, focused effort is more effective than long, unfocused sessions. Regularly reviewing material also helps solidify what you've learned. Finally, prioritize your well-being for sustained success. Take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to rest your eyes and stretch. Staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet are crucial for energy and focus throughout your study day. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Remember, a healthy body supports a sharp mind, making your online study experience much more effective and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.